guys. Maddie! Okay. I'm cleaning my house, so Miss Maddie is everywhere. So, it's linen day in our house. And I got to keep this rug. I told y'all. I was going to get rid of it, but then I was like, oh, why not just put it in my bedroom? So, since I'm going to be lifting up all the stuff, figured I'll go ahead and wash my bed skirt because it's white. Excuse me, I've been sick. So, I'm going to go ahead and wash all my whites because they're dirty. Because I've been sick. So, we're going to go wash those. And, started the machine already. My house is a hot mess, guys. Hey, baby. Whites just came out. I have to, what are you doing? That's one thing I love about my machine is that it's so big to wash my, my coverlet. Hey, good morning. What's that? Where'd you get it? I have to do this little one's hair. Every time you guys see her, her hair is a hot mess. Guys, the vlogs are back. Vlogs are back. So, since the vlogs are back, I'm going to go pick up some hair to do my hair because I cannot, for the life of me, deal with my hair. I am this close. I am this close to putting a perm in my hair. Don't mind my voice. I don't know what happened. It won't come back. If I have to sound like a man for the rest of my life, I can live with that. But my toddler is half naked. I don't know what's going on with her. She just turned 2 and she's like, I'm not gonna say my child is terrible, but her behavior is just ridiculous. I have to go get batteries for my camera because I can't deal with the quality of my iPhone. I can't. I've been trying so bad, and I'm just like, I can't deal with the quality. So I have to go pick up a battery for my camera at Best Buy. Hopefully Best Buy has a thing. And then I have to go get braiding hair to braid my hair because I'm tired of walking around looking like Medea. I don't want to look like Medea for the rest of my life. So I'm going to take my lazy butt to go get some hair and braid my hair and come back. You know, I'm back, guys. Vlogs are back. I tried so many different things and it just was not working. My last video got 49 views. I was like, that's a sign. I was like, no, this is not for you. Cleaning, organizing is not for you. So I'm just like, I'm going to give you guys a life update and tell you guys what's going on, what's been going on. But vlogs are back. I'm so happy to have a camera in my face. Maddie, let's go. Put your shirt on. We got to go. Let's go spend some money. But, I have to hold this thing. I washed my truck. I showed you guys. I have a video of me washing my truck. Say good morning. What's wrong? Your hand. So let's get some light up in here. Why is it so dark? Dark. What, Jesus? Okay. So let me go in front of the light thingy. So. All right, look at me in my full glory. Look at my messy table. Anyways, let's get out of here. Come on, Maddie. Let's go get some hair. So I'm gonna go get some hair, get some batteries for my camera because I have to get back to making quality videos. This is horrible. But vlogs are back. Look at my baby, guys. Let me show you guys my baby. She is so clean. We officially named her. Marissa. I'm gonna show you guys her. She's so pretty. Guys, look at her. Look how shiny she is. Oh my gosh. You see my leggings? Oh, I'm fly today. Not really. Come on, Maddie. You ready to go? Yeah? And why do you have why do you have that? Give that to me. Okay, whatever. I don't care. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, this is a struggle. Get in your seat. Get in your seat. We saw a black bear the other day, and like 5 miles away from us. So I don't open my garage until I'm in my car. Oh Lord, I don't open my garage until I'm in my car, but I can't do that because we resetted the garage thing. So now I have to open it from the app. Yeah, good girl. Do this one. I have to get Maddie evaluated for speech because I've been thinking for the longest time that, you know, Maddie's going to talk, but Maddie don't talk. Maddie, what's your name? You see the gibberish what I'm talking about? This is the goddamn gibberish I'm talking about. Maddie don't talk. So, I don't know. We got to get her evaluated. All right, so we're going to go to the store and we'll be back. All right, so we're back in the house. I got Marcelo some shirt and I got my hair. You know, I do my hair. I couldn't record because I just wanted to come back really fast. And got Marcelo a bunch of shirts because that's all he wears are t-shirts. So I got him a whole bunch. So I'm getting ready to do my hair. The next time you see me, I will be so pretty. So pretty. Yeah, I'm going to do my hair. I was supposed to go to Walmart and get some water, but I forgot. I went to Best Buys, but they didn't have the camera, so bummer. Bummer! But I'm going to go get something to drink. I'm thirsty. Have you guys ever been so thirsty that the spit in your mouth just collects and you're just like drinking your saliva? My throat is killing me. I don't know what it is I have. My husband keeps telling me to go to the doctor, and I'm just like, no, I'm not going to no doctor. But I got the Jamaican twist braids. I'm about to braid up my hair before I slap permanent. We're in Walmart picking up food so hubby can grill. Down this way, down this way. So I have finished my hair and I have to put a hat on because my hair is not done. So it's a hot mess. So, but I had to come pick up the kids. Hopefully it takes me another 3 to 4 hours to finish my hair. But I gotta get this one shoe. Every 6 months she needs shoes. So, but I figured I would come look at their leggings because I like their leggings. But I don't see them. But I don't see them, so I'm gonna hurry up and get out of here because I want to get back before Marcelo get home. Well, I'm almost done with my hair, and the hubby came home and cooked dinner. He's over there waiting for me, but I'm almost done. So I just kind of like fixed my hair so I can go sit down and enjoy dinner with my husband. So I'll catch up with you guys, cause oh, I love it. You know the day?
No, Mommy, that's gonna stick to the carpet.
No, don't play with that on there. No, Maddie.
You need a book. I'll give you a book.
Go get something to play with.
Here.
She's ready for bed. She needs a bath
Here.
and change for bed. She's just cranky. Hey, cranky butt. Say hi to the sunshine.
Maddie.
You're not going to say hi to the sunshine? So I just did my floors because they were like really grimy. So I did them. And then I have to wash my dishes tomorrow because I'm tired. I just did my hair, so. But the house is clean. Tomorrow the kids have parent-teacher conference, so I won't be here all day in the afternoon.
No, that's bigger. I better for you.
Maddie, you're not going to say hi to sunshine?
No, that's bigger.
Maddie done outgrew you guys. She's like, I don't have time for... Maddie, you want to do affirmation? No? Say, I am beautiful. I am powerful. I am loved. Love you, Madison. Do you guys remember affirmation? If you do, give this video a thumbs up. You've been here from She was a baby.
Maddie.
Okay, guys, so I did my hair. I still have to do the ends. I gotta do the ends. But this is the longest I've ever had my hair in a long while. I gotta dip the ends in hot water. Hubby does not want me to curl it, so I'm not gonna curl it. This is gonna be straight. And I did it tiny, really small. And I did it in a way where my hair can be pushed all the way back and flipped to whatever side. So it's versatile. It's whatever. The part can be on either side. So I'm excited. My husband owed me $250 because if I was supposed to pay to get someone to braid my hair, it would be right around there, $250. So he owes me $250. So I'm going shopping tomorrow. But anyways, guys, this is the first day back. It's good to be back. I'm happy I'm back. And I will see you guys tomorrow. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine. If you're new here, my name is Janice. That's Rob. He's a bit camera shy. That's Jordan. You guys saw Maddie. And the other kids, you guys know them. So I will catch you guys in another video. Bye, guys.